What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here with another airdrop video. If you guys want to keep up to date with all the airdrops, put the notification bell on and also look at my airdrop playlist from all my videos regarding airdrops for 2024 and beyond and when to claim. Okay, I have a playlist for it, and you can join the Patreon for $8 a month, which is all in the description below. Now, this airdrop, I'm just going to say ahead of time, it is free to participate. Like, you don't need any amount to pay the gas fees or any amount to put in. Okay, it is free, and I'm going to show you guys here step by step. There are a lot of steps to it. It's not too complicated. You just need a MetaMask and you just gotta follow my steps. But don't worry, because I'm gonna show you guys step by step as if it was my first time doing it. Let's get started. All the official links, my referral link, okay, it's in the comment below. It'll be in the pinned comment, also in the description. They're all official. Okay, so click on my referral code and it'll take you right here. Now, once it takes you right here, even before doing it, the DOP, okay, it's called DOP, but they're called Data Ownership Protocol, which is DOP. Okay, and they're basically building a selective transparency to Ethereum using zero knowledge proofs. DOP allows you to decide what crypto assets and transactions you wish to make public. So they're very privacy based, okay, which is great. And they're looking to come out Q1 of 2024. So you want to get on this ASAP because it's Q1 2024 already. We don't know when it's going to be coming out, but you guys definitely got some time. Just, make sure you do this ASAP. So you'll be taken right here. Now, the first step is you're going to click I am new here and you want to create a wallet. Okay. And get your pencil and paper out because you're going to write down your 12-word seed phrase for your wallet. Okay. Just want to say that ahead of time. So after clicking my referral code, click right here, create wallet. You're going to click on password. So you want to set a password for this wallet. Make sure you write all this down. So after you put a password and you click submit, make sure you're writing all this down on a paper. Okay. You're going to write down your password, and now you should be getting a secret recovery phrase, which I'm not showing it right here, mine, but it should be a 12-word secret recovery phrase. You want to write down each one of them in order. So after you write it down in order, you're going to click verify, and now you're basically going to select them in order. Okay, so now you just select them in order. So then after you click it in order, you're gonna get this. It's gonna say congratulations. Make sure you save it up. You write it down and you save it somewhere safe. You're gonna click continue, and then it's gonna give you your secret key, which you also want to save as well. Great, so you created your wallet. Next step is to connect your MetaMask. Now make sure for all these airdrops you have a wallet, a burner wallet made for airdrops only. Okay, make sure it's not your main wallet with all your stuff. Okay, make sure it's a separate wallet only made for airdrops. So after you connect your wallet, it should look something like this, and it says your progress 0 out of 8. So there are 8 steps that you guys need to pass. Okay, and they're very, very simple, and it's basically free. You don't have to use any gas fees or anything like that. So the first thing you want to do is you want to sign in with X. So make sure you have a Twitter X account. You click right there. You're gonna sign in right here on X. You click authorize app, and then you want to follow DOP on X. So you click right there again. It's going to take you to their official X account, and you click on follow. Step 2 is to claim Syphilia. I don't know how to say Syphilia ETH. Basically, this is on testnet. So this is not real ETH. This is on testnet DOP. So you click on claim. All right, it's going to probably open your MetaMask. Let's see here. So on your MetaMask, you should have some, after you click claim right there, you should have some ETH right here, okay, which is on testnet. Next thing, you want to claim testnet DOP, which is their coin. And you add it by adding it right here. So first, let's add it, all right? So we're going to click right there. You're going to click add address, add token. You added the coin, all right? And then you want to click on claim. You're going to claim it. This is all on testnet. Okay, so you're gonna claim it. You're gonna see there's a gas fee, but this is using the testnet ETH for the gas fees. All right, so there, step 3 completed. Now the next step is claiming certain assets on the chain. And the thing, what I would do is you claim all of it by claiming it once. So you claim right here, claim. Okay, click claim, because there's multiple assets. Click claim. And then what I did was that I added all of them, because you got to add them manually by just clicking right here. And I'm going to show you guys that in just a sec after it's done claiming all of them. Okay. So I claimed all of them. So you can see there are all these assets. What I did is one by one, I clicked right here, add token, right there, add token. I did that for USDT, for USDC. And then next step is to encrypt assets, which is going to be the whole point of this, this coin. It's going to be regarding encrypting and privacy. So the way that you do this, you click get started. And then right here, you're going to select the token. So I'm going to use USDT. You can use any coin. And then you're going to select an amount. Now, obviously, you don't want to use the whole amount. You can use, half of it. I'm going to do 400. So 400 USDT. Click on Encrypt. And then you click on Confirm. And then right here on MetaMask, you're just going to confirm it. It should be like... So the first thing is you confirm. You click on Next. Then you click on Approve. All right, so I hope you guys are following. And again, if I'm going too fast for you guys, pause this as you're doing it. All right, I'm going at a regular pace. So next thing, you click on confirm again. It's gonna get the gas fees. So right there, it should say successfully encrypted. Click close. Okay, click OK. So you guys are almost done. Like I said, this is very simple. It's just a couple steps. Next thing is you want to send the assets. So the way that you do this is you see this address right here. Click copy right there. Copy that address. After you copied it, click on get started. Okay. Next step is you see right here at the top, you want to paste the address that you just copied. So paste it right there. Next thing is you want to click the address that you want to send. Now again, this is like the encrypted coin. So you're only sending the encrypted asset. So I just encrypted 400 USDT. So I'm gonna click on that and I'm gonna send half of it, 200. Again, doesn't have to be, don't make sure it's not the whole thing. Make sure it's like a portion of it. Click on send, click confirm. So you can see the DOP fee is $3. That's why you don't want to send all of it. So click confirm. You're gonna basically approve it here on MetaMask. All right, great. So it should say right there, successfully transferred. Click on close, click OK. So moving on to the next step, which is the 7th step. 2 more steps, guys, just 2 more. This one is Decrypt Assets. So you click get started, and now you're going to decrypt some of the assets. All right, so then I'm gonna do a 150. And then next step, you're going to put in your wallet password. All right, click on confirm. Okay. And the DOP fee is $26. So click on confirm here again on MetaMask. So boom, there you go. You guys did the step 7, 1 more step, and then you're all set. As you can see right here, if you go to the top, 87% done. All right, which is great. And the last step, in my opinion, is probably the hardest step, because all these you guys saw, I just did it super easy. The last step is you want to invite 3 friends. But do not worry, because if you're unable to get 3 friends, okay, you can actually do like another wallet separately, right, on a different wallet. But again, you can invite them. You can send a Telegram, Twitter, WhatsApp, whichever. You can share it right here. And on top of that, starting with your 4th friend, you're going to earn 20% bonus for each friend. So if you guys can use my referral code, it will mean the world to me, which is going to be all in the pinned comment and description below. But again, that's how you guys do it. And you can see right here at the top, it even says it right here. Complete the steps below to be eligible for the DOP token rewards. So this is already confirmed. There's going to be DOP token rewards after the token is launched in Q1 2024. So this is 100% confirmed. Okay, I don't know how much it's going to be. I don't know when the claim date is. I'll keep you guys updated. That's why you guys want to put the notification bell so you guys are updated. And if you want to take the next step, join the Patreon for $8 a month. And, you know, I'll let you guys know. But that's how you guys do it. Again, I'll take advantage of this. It's free. You're not using any of your money for the gas fees. This is all on testnet. And yeah, hopefully it's a great airdrop. I'm really, and I like the whole point of their project, which is, you know, encrypting and privacy. So I'll keep you guys updated. Again, use the referral code below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.